All right, what's up, weirdos? What's going on, guys? So, market's looking kind of good tonight. I know it's kind of a mixed bag. Things are down an average of, I'd say, about 4 to 5%. Nothing too crazy. ZBEC going crazy, guys. We're going to have a look at it. We got ZBEC updates. We got JASMY updates. We got Bitcoin updates. We got the fries that'll cross your eyes, guys. Check it out. JASMY down 3.8% on the day, 10.2 on the week, up 66.1 on the month, and down 1.2 on the year. Down 3 spots and ranked to 82, an $800 million market cap and 32 million in volume. Not bad, not bad. Swift coin down 3.5% on the day, 1.2 on the week, 62.5% up on the month, and 224% up on the year. Down 6 spots in rank to 269 with $141 million market cap, 2.72 million in volume. Volume's kind of low going into the weekend here, guys, and that's okay. That's okay. We were expecting as much. Onyx coin down 5.5 on the day, 19.5 on the week, but up 92.5 on the month and 745 on the year. Down 4 spots in rank to 107, $570 million market cap, 27 million in volume. And ZBEC going beast mode, up 33.5% on the day, 76% on the week, 79% on the month, but down to 22.3 on the year. Up 58 spots in rank to 278, $134 million market cap, 20.76 million in volume. ZBEC is having itself one hell of a good time. We're going to have a look at the chart. We might as well look at the chart before we look at the Bitcoin chart. Why not? Why not, right? Boom, blew right through our golden pocket, guys. We wicked all the way up to 20177. Now we're at 20171. I would like to see us close this daily candle either where we are now or slightly above. Will that happen? It depends on if Bitcoin holds up. Bitcoin is having a little bit of a correction. We're going to have a look at it in a minute, but as long as Bitcoin holds in the range it's in now, ZBEC does have room to continue going up tomorrow. If it does not, then we could see a little bit of consolidation. Don't be shocked, guys, to see maybe like a bull pennant kind of, growing right in this range. Maybe we build a bull pennant here over the course of the next 4 to 7 days before working our way up even further. Don't be surprised to see that. It's definitely in the cards. It's very similar to what Onyx Coin had done back in January. So I think it's a very, very strong possibility. Let me know what you guys think in the chat or in the comment section. Let's go look at Bitcoin, shall we? All right. So Bitcoin had to break out. We came inside this golden pocket twice. That's what she said. We're down at 96,200. We seem to be holding pretty good in this area, provided we stay in this area. Again, it doesn't matter where this candle is now. It matters where it closes tomorrow, right? Well, Saturday when I wake up, whatever, right? So that's what we're watching for. Where's this candle going to close? We could wick all the way back down here, retest the top of the trend line on this bull pennant before coming back up. That's entirely possible as well, guys. But we'll see if we hold support here at 96,240. That is where we're at now. Yeah, we'll kind of take it from there. We got to break through a sell wall sitting here between $97,000 and $98,000. I told you guys when we were down here that this was going to be a little bit of a sell wall here. So we got to deal with that. And then we'll have another one right up here at $100,000 as well, guys. It's not going to be all peaches and cream. We're going to have to try to break through here. Maybe we build another mini bull pennant right here before continuing up. Who knows? Anyway, my target in the medium term right up here between $102,000 and $104,000 on the breakout from this. Might take a week or two to get there, but that is my target. We'll stay on top of it, guys. Definitely before the end of May, we will be at this level or above, in my opinion. So yeah, That's what I'm looking at there. Let's go have a look over at ZBEC. And also, guys, as Bitcoin continues to do that climb, altcoins will obviously follow suit and melt their way upwards. So look for them to continue their march to the upside as well. Leo the Lion, shout out to him, says ZBEC RWA Inc. isn't just launching a card, they're launching a new standard in crypto utility. Real-time conversion, global access, and multi-currency support. That's not the future, that's now. Can't wait to see what's next with them. Check it out, guys. The introduction of the RWA debit card in partnership with ZBEC and MasterCard. You love to see it, and they called it a scam. That's why it always pays to do your research and not listen to people who don't know what the hell they're talking about, right? Right. Visiting our friend, Neo Sun, friend of the channel. Big community contributor, guys. Go give him a follow on X. Love his work. Absolutely love his work. He says, JASMY and Janction, the rise of a sovereign internet through the PlayStation. Check out his latest and greatest.
JASMY's ambition to transform every connected device into an autonomous source of secure personal data, a true processing node, takes on a particularly fascinating dimension when paired with the idea of tapping into the latent potential of PlayStation consoles. This vision, where JASMY lays the foundation for digital sovereignty, comes to life through synergy with Janction, which activates the unused computing power of PlayStation GPUs for meaningful tasks within the ecosystem. The PlayStation becomes an active participant in a global decentralized network. JASMY provides the trusted backbone and secure management of private data, while Janction breathes life into this foundation by orchestrating a dynamic economy of useful computation. From training and inference of artificial intelligence to local and secure processing of sensitive data, to distributed services and advanced cryptographic operations, the capabilities of PlayStation GPUs are harnessed for applications far beyond gaming. This alliance transforms the console into a kind of intelligent server, capable of generating revenue or digital services in exchange for its contribution to the network. The implications of such an architecture are vast and open up unprecedented opportunities. One of the most promising lies in the possibility of forming local artificial intelligences. Thanks to JASMY's personal data locker, users could train or fine-tune personalized AI models with their own data, all while retaining full sovereignty over that information, never needing to send it to a remote server. This revolutionary approach to machine learning respects privacy and paves the way for truly personalized and secure AI experiences. By aggregating the computing power of millions of PlayStations via Janction, it becomes conceivable to create a planet-scale distributed supercomputer, a colossal infrastructure capable of tackling complex problems requiring massive processing power. Moreover, this initiative plays a major role in building the decentralized internet. If every PlayStation became an active node in the JASMY Janction network, it would create a distributed infrastructure offering decentralized storage, local AI processing, and intrinsically enhanced security. In this vision, Sony, relying on the expertise of JASMY and Janction, could offer a new paradigm of internet, one that respects privacy and is inherently more resilient to failures and censorship, thus realizing the long-desired dream of a safer internet envisioned by CEO Kazumasa Sato. By weaving together the sovereignty and security offered by JASMY, the GPU computing power orchestrated by Janction, and the dormant potential of millions of PlayStations, a bold vision of a global decentralized computing network emerges. This convergence will not only transform the way we interact with our devices, but also redefine the very foundations of the internet and artificial intelligence, placing the user at the center of a more secure, more private, and more powerful digital ecosystem of the Web3 era.
Absolutely, guys. PlayStation GPUs and JASMY, just a matter of time. Hara actually mentioned it yesterday when he was in Dubai. Once again, bringing up the PlayStation connection. You absolutely love it, guys. Could not be more bullish on that. So listen, guys, come on over, join the Patreon. If you are new to crypto, guys, listen, there is no shame in having your hand held by a community of people who've been through multiple bull runs and can help you get out of this asset class with your life-changing wealth intact. That's the point. That's why you're here anyway, right? So why not just go all the way? Come on over to the community, guys. It's the price of a meal, for crying out loud. These other channels are charging you between $100 to $1,000. I'm just asking you for a meal. That's all you got to do, guys. So check it out. We're live over there every single day. We drop microcap gems. We got in early, guys, super, super early on ZBEC, on Cookie, on Onyx Coin, on what else do we got? On PIF. We got in early on Swift Coin, on XPR. Like the list goes on and on. Moonwell, Myria. So many projects we got in super early on Peak. Get in early before these projects take off, guys. And on top of that, learn how to identify where liquidity is in the market so that your sell orders actually fill. Something that a lot of content creators are not telling people is that if you do not know how to identify where liquidity is in the market, your sell orders may very well not fill, and you could walk away from this bull run still holding your tokens until the next bull run, right? Because for every sell order, there has to be a buy order. If you don't know how to do that, guys, that's why 90 to 95% of new people in crypto either don't make money or lose money, because they don't know how to do these fundamental things in the space. So come on over to our community, guys. We can help you with an exit strategy, with a profit-taking plan. We can help you do research, learn how to do research, learn how to do tokenomics, learn how to research projects so you can know where to roll those profits into when you're ready to compound those gains. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7x gains you've already made in other projects, right? Get the help and guidance that you need, guys. Like I said, we're live every day. We drop educational content every day, microcap gem videos. Learn something new over there every day to become a better trader and a better investor in this space. That's the point. That's why you are here, to make life-changing wealth, to retire you and your family. You can also book one-on-one coaching calls with me personally, absolutely free as a Patreon member. So come on over, guys. If you need a more personalized touch, you want to talk to me one-on-one, absolutely no problem. Come on over, book your one-on-ones today. Spots are still available, and let's make you the next 7-figure portfolio out there. Since January, we have helped 30 people hit 7-figure portfolios over on our Patreon, guys, and many, many more have hit high 6 figures as well. It's late. I'm tired. So anyway, guys, check it out for yourselves. If you don't like it, you can leave. And worst case scenario, you got a free one-on-one coaching call out of the deal, right? So click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I will see you guys in the next one. God bless.